In this video, I will show you Surfshark VPN review and how to use Surfshark. In today's digital age, safeguarding your online privacy and security is paramount. With countless VPN options available, it is crucial to find one that not only provides robust protection but also offers ease of use and value for money. Enter Surfshark VPN, a versatile and user-friendly solution designed to keep your online activities private and secure. Surfshark VPN stands out with its affordable pricing plans, catering to both budget-conscious users and those seeking premium features. With options for monthly, yearly, and biennial subscriptions, Surfshark offers flexibility to suit various needs. What is more, their pricing structure includes unlimited device connections, making it an excellent choice for households or individuals with multiple devices. Surfshark VPN boasts an impressive array of features that go beyond basic online protection. Whether you are using Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, or even smart TVs, Surfshark has you covered with easy-to-use apps for all major platforms. Surfshark offers unlimited bandwidth and data usage, ensuring smooth and seamless browsing, streaming, and downloading. Rest easy knowing that Surfshark adheres to a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't monitor, track, or store your online activities. Your data is protected with top-of-the-line AES-256 encryption, safeguarding it from prying eyes, hackers, and cyber threats. Stay hidden from your internet service provider and other third parties with Surfshark's camouflage mode, which masks your VPN traffic to appear as regular HTTPS traffic. In the event of unexpected VPN disconnections, Surfshark's kill switch automatically cuts off internet access to prevent any data leaks, ensuring your privacy remains intact. For the first 25 months, the Surfshark starter offer is priced at $2.39 per month or $59.75. The Surfshark One offer is available at $306 per month or $76.50 for the initial 25 months. For the Surfshark One Plus offer, the cost is $4.69 or $117.25 for the first 25 months. For yearly plans, the Surfshark starter offer is $322 per month, and the Surfshark One offer is $377 per month, and the Surfshark One Plus offer is $599 per month. For monthly plans, Surfshark Starter offers $15.45 per month, Surfshark One offers $15.95 per month, and Surfshark One Plus offers $17.95 per month. With these competitive pricing options, Surfshark ensures that users can access high-quality VPN services without exceeding their budget. Using Surfshark is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and straightforward setup process. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs and sign up for an account on the Surfshark website. Download the Surfshark app on your device from the respective app store or the Surfshark website. Install the app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, simply select a server location from the list of available options and click Connect to establish a secure VPN connection. Take advantage of Surfshark's additional features, such as Clean Web, Whitelister, and more to customize your VPN experience. Overall, Surfshark offers an excellent balance of affordability, features, and ease of use, making it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their online privacy and security. With its extensive platform support, robust encryption, and user-friendly interface, Surfshark ticks all the boxes for a reliable VPN solution. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Surfshark. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.